Hi guys, I'm reviewing this really cute, cool bike light. It's cute and it's cool. Kind of looks like, I don't know, like a transformer, the eyes, mouth, I don't know. But I've been charging it for about 30 minutes. This is the USB charge port there. And the button to turn it on is right here. I think you hold it down, there you go. That's pretty neat.
What does it do? What do you do?
So it's like it's like when you make a turn, it will start to blink left or right if you're going to make a right turn. I have the instructions in here.
What is this?
And it says,
Why does it do that? Mom, what is this?
these are the attachments to attach it to your bike, on the back of your bike.
What is it?
And these here are
Mama, put a little attachment on it.
I know one of them is a remote. Yes,
Oh,
here. So you're going to attach this in the front of your handlebars. The front of your handlebars. So when you want to turn it on, you just push that button. If you're going to make a left turn, you push that button and it'll start blinking behind your bike. Or if you're going to turn right, push that button, it starts to blink. The middle button here is for a double flash.
Mom, how do you take this out?
And this is the tail light
Mom,
button.
how do you take this out?
Hold on, Noah. So that's pretty cool. These are pretty great to have. I'm sure Sean's gonna. Hold on, Noah. Wait. I'm sure Sean's gonna want to use this on his bike because he likes to ride his bike sometimes at night. So that's pretty cool. He's definitely gonna get a lot of use out of this. Plus, it's rechargeable. That's a big plus. And these, I don't know what those are. And the light is pretty bright.
How come it won't turn on?
You're not doing it right.
What do you mean? I'm not doing it right?
I don't know what those are for. I'll have to read up on it. But yeah, this thing is pretty neat. It's the AF-5 light.
What do you mean I'm not doing it right?
Hold on. Alright, so if you guys want to order one, I'm putting the link to this product in the description. I hope you go and check it out. And thanks so much for watching.